Hi, and welcome to Washoe County Library's Crafternoon. My name's Jackie, and I work at the Incline Village Library. Today, I'd like to share from handmadecharlotte.com a fun paper roll kaleidoscope. Materials that you will need for this project include a paper roll. I think this is the right size because as you put in your foil or your reflective paper, you'll be able to see the sequins reflecting. Scissors, some tape, sequins, some paper of your choice, and foil if you prefer, or if you have some reflective paper, go ahead and use that. And any form of clear plastic packaging that you can find. The first step we'll need to do is we'll go ahead and grab our paper roll and our clear packaging. You'll want to cut out 2 circles out of the packaging, and you'll want one to be slightly smaller than the other, just like these 2. We'll go ahead and add some tape on one end and then the other, and we'll go ahead and bend it. And we're going to place it inside the paper roll about an inch in or so. Okay, just like that. Next step, we'll go ahead and take our sequins. If you find that there's a little bit of space in there, you can add some more tape just to make sure nothing falls through. Okay. All right, go ahead and add your sequins. Just like that. You're going to take your second piece of plastic packaging, add some tape on top, and place it over the paper roll, like that. You're going to want to tape around the entire thing, just so the sequins don't come flying out. It's okay if the tape goes over the plastic, it won't matter in the end. Oh, see, there goes the sequin. And this is what it looks like at the moment. No sequins should come out. All right, our next step is to grab your foil or your reflective paper. If you use foil, just go ahead and grab as much as you want and make sure to fold it into a square. I'm going to use the reflective paper today. You'll want to fold it to where the reflective side is on the inside, just like this. Okay. You'll want to secure it with some tape. There we go. Just like that. And we'll go ahead and place it inside. Should fit quite nicely. If it is too tall, you'll want to cut it down a little bit, because then we're going to go ahead and grab some more paper, and we're going to cut another circle and place it on top. So go ahead and start cutting another circle. Once your circle is cut, go ahead and fold it over. And we're going to cut out a smaller circle inside of the bigger one. All right, unfold it just like that. Go ahead and add a little bit more tape on either side. We're going to place this right on top. You might see a little bit of that reflective paper, but that's okay. I'm gonna add a little bit more. All right, okay. Our final step, since it doesn't look that pretty right now, is to grab some more paper. This is cut to the length of my paper roll, so it will depend on how long your paper roll is or how short it is. All right, we're gonna add some more tape to the side. Okay, and kind of just wrap it around and then tape the end. And then we're done. All right, and that's all there is to it. I hope you have a lot of fun with this one. Use different sequins or beads of your choice. And if you'd like more information or other ideas like these crafts, go and visit our webpage at washocannalibrary.us and visit our Facebook page. Thank you for joining me today. Bye.